Find or read reviews that people are talking about Luiord HDMI wireless display adapter. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Simple to use. No app and drivers required. 3 steps, plug connect mirroring by using Miracast, DLNA and AirPlay mode. Recognize your IP address and match your local language automatically. Wireless display. This wireless display adapter can do mirroring or streaming your mobile device to your TV/projector/monitor wirelessly. Make your TV a smart TV. Share videos, photos, movies to big screen easily. Note: not used for projector. Apply to compatibility. While your mobile device is upgraded to the newest version, this adapter can be upgraded to be compatible with the newest version timely. Support AirPlay, Miracast, DLNA protocol, namely, support iOS 9.0 Plus, MacBook Series and Android 5.0 Plus devices. Wide usage. Watch with your family at home mirroring screen to TV, share photos, videos, movies wirelessly. Carry it while traveling, share your phone to TV anytime. Watch with colleagues in meeting mirroring screen to projector, documents, and other content wirelessly. Watch with students in classroom mirroring screen to big screen, share teaching content wirelessly. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.